Hello viewers, welcome to my new tech channel Tech Sky. We are describing you to more interesting tricks about Snapseed, and all guys, you must know about the Snapseed app. Is much more passionate apps to editing your pictures. So we will introduce about this next step. Within one step you just edit your full picture in awesome thickness. So let's move on the mobile screen. Guys, Snapseed, a world best photo editing apps in the whole over the world. You can just edit here within just two steps. You wanna do just a two-step click. That moment you can see the what your picture gonna be more awesome and more cinematic. Let's start with a picture. Let's move into gallery. Here's the picture. I have already selected this, and you can click there. Then here's the Snapseed. I'm clicking on the Snapseed. Let's see how can it work. Here's you can here see the two types of option. There's style and tools. You just have to click tools, then tune image. The first one you should have to click tune image option. Then see, if you scroll like this, then you can see the lot of option is there. Here is the option brightness, contrast, saturation, ambience, highlights, shadows, and warmth. So you just have to choose ambience, and that's the magic. If you increase the whole ambience 100%, then you can see, and you can see the difference of the previous picture and the current picture. If you want to make earthy more, then you just right click here. After that, see how the picture really goods up, and you can see the face also be saturated, so you can also remove it from here. Then you should have to click the revert option. Here's the view edits, and you can go tune image. Then here's the delete option and the painting option. You can click, you will click there. I'm clicking there. Then you can see an invert option. And I am clicking right on there. At this stage there is tune image 0. You can increase it in 25. Let's see if I draw there, then the hair and the face and the hand. Let's see. So I think it's being more realistic. And if you want a great feel in the darkness, so you can use vintage. Here's the vintage option. You can see drama and vintage both are together. You can click, and I'm clicking the vintage option. Here's the vintage option is to brighten, so I should have to take number 12. Then see, here's the vintage option. Here's the 4 option. There's 4 option you can see. Okay, let's see. I'm just clicking on there. I'm increasing my vintage option. Vignette, sorry, it's vignette strength. That's the speaking wrong, is speaking fault. And you can increase brightness. Let's see. Here is the style strength. I'm just clicking. I'm just decreasing style strength and saturation. Okay, a proper photo editing I just have done here within some steps in Snapseed. Also portrait pictures and the nature photography you can edit easily from here. So that's, I think, the best option. That's the best Snapseed editing apps, I think. So you can, guys, I hope think so. That's my video, and I'm clicking on there, then done. It has been saved. So guys, I think you will hope so like this video and much subscribe my channels. And no more today, I will come again with a new another video and new another tricks of editing, like the full of tech related video. So tata guys, and see you soon again. Bye.